Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Please introduce myself, Megita Pamungkas from Universitas Tidak, Stevanus Budi Waluya, Scolastika Mariani, Isnarto, and Mohammad Asikin from Universitas Negeri Semarang. We will present the article with the title Research Trends of Complex Problem Solving in Mathematical Education, a systematic review. Introduction. The number of research in the field of mathematics education is always increasing from year to year. Researchers in the field of mathematics education are also growing. In this study, a review of research article on complex problem solving, or CPS, in mathematics education was conducted. Researchers have investigated complex problem solving, but what is being studied varies. Complex problem solving is also a rising 21st century skill that requires tests taken to solve dynamically changing problems, as using computer-based tests. CPS is a complex cognitive skill characterized by two core cognitive process. A. The need to obtain information about unclear problem situation. And B. The use of knowledge to achieve self-formulated goal in solving problems. So, research to review article in particular field will be very important in the framework of research development in related fields in the future. Specifically, this research was conducted with the aim to provide an overview of complex problem solving research discussed in mathematics education. In addition, analysis is also carried out on the numbers of study distribution in several regions, along with analysis of topics or focal point of complex problem solving research. Research method. We have reviewed the article. We analyzed 13 articles published from 2030 until 2020 and indexed by the Web of Science by using a search engine. It is done by entering a single keyword or combination of several keywords. In this study, article tracking was conducted with the following categories. First, journal fall into the category of SSCI. And second, journal entries in education category. And third, journal are written in English. Fourth, journal has a high impact factor. Research and discussion. Result and discussion. Based on the result of research article analysis focused on complex problem solving, in general, the amount of research on complex problem solving always appears in each year. In general, the distribution of the number of researchers by country of origin focusing on the field of study on complex problem solving is still very small. In USA, 10 article, in Swiss, 10 article, and Netherlands, 8 article, and Taiwan, China, Taipei, 2 article. Only a few researchers in the countries of the world focus on researching about complex problem solving. Many things can be explored in this research study, especially in the field of mathematics education. The researchers' main focus of CPS is more on CPS assessment and measurement. The result of learning cognition process include using valid CPS instrument and can predict academic achievement. Some researchers who focus on the process of cognition, metacognition, motivation, intelligence, working memory, CPS skill, or CPS abilities. So, CPS skills have been recognized as a major 21st century skill that is critical to several outcomes, including academic achievement. CPS is a form of problem solving, specifically in complex and interactive situations, which allows us to study knowledge acquisition on and knowledge application simultaneously and independent of certain content. CPS also requires a complex set of cognitive operations. CPS involve optioning implicit and explicit knowledge about relevant aspect of a problem, as well as the application of this knowledge in the search for solution. This series of complex problem-solving operation is the ability a person needs to solve non-routine problem, especially in mathematics. Based on result and discussion, there are still many complex problem-solving skills in mathematics education that have not been explored. There is still a lot of material excavated in research activities. Thank you for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.